How to fix unable to initialize Steam API error on Windows with a few simple solutions. First, completely close Steam. If Steam is still running in the background, open the hidden icons from your taskbar. Right-click the Steam icon and select Exit Steam. Now, open Windows Search and type Allow an app through Windows Firewall. Open the matching result. Click Change Settings. Then find Steam and Steam Web Helper in the list. Make sure both private and public network boxes are checked for these entries. Then click OK. Next, search for Steam. Right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Try launching Steam again and check if the API error is resolved. And that's it. These steps should help fix the unable to initialize Steam API error. If this tutorial helped you, click like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and share this video with others.